Hey guys, it's Milton Andrade again, and today I brought you to Royal Palm Yacht and Country Club at 117 Thatch Palm Cove. We've got a brand new construction finished in 2023 by Marco Capocia of Primo Construction. This home has it all. Follow me. As we enter into this grand foyer, we see this beautiful illuminated steps that leads to the second floor. The house has such high ceilings, a lot of modern lighting. We've got 6 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, we've got a gym, we've got a beautiful office, and what you see here is an open concept, an open layout. Check out these finishes, check out these floors. Come and check it out. Located right on the golf course, you have views from every room, floor to ceiling windows and doors, and if you have a beautiful supercar, well, check it out. Everybody's here to see it. Check out these doors. These really have an optical illusion. I really like that it adds a little bit of design flair to the house. The finishes have been meticulously selected, all Italian. Every little designer touch that you see here has been thought out, from the recessed lighting to the linear vents to the large format tile. You've got a beautiful wine cellar, and look how this kitchen opens up to this large family room with a great view of the golf course, of the pool, of the outdoor kitchen. This house has it all. You've got double sinks because, you know, I've been in the kitchen before and I've been cooking and I've been wanting to really kind of have fun with everybody and really interact. This gives you options after options. Gas range, you've got Wolf appliances. It really just has it all. Take a look. Enjoy the view here. The developer really spared no expense in making this home from dream to reality. You've got indoor and outdoor spaces, lots of room to really lounge, relax, enjoy, entertain, have parties. You know, this house really does have it all, and it's close to the beach. It's close to the water. Being part of the Royal Palm Yacht and Country Club gives you another just kind of life, right? You're at a different level. Let's take a look at the gym. Now here, you've got everything you need. You've got the Peloton, you've got the Atlas machine. This is a great room, can be a bedroom, but it makes a fantastic gym. And so, wow, master bedroom. Talk about a grand master bedroom, but get this, check out this closet. Glass doors so you can see in, a private balcony that looks over the pool, lots of storage, grates for shoes and bags, dresses, and clothes. Imagine having all your jewelry in here, everything ready at your fingertips. But guess what? This is her closet. Check out your closet. Now, yes, it's smaller, but it's sexy. If you ever need a drink at night, or you want a little something for yourself, you've got a little kitchenette, bar area, pantry. But check out this bathroom. Open shower, multiple jets, rain, waterfall, tub, his and her sinks. Just the design choices of the stone, of the illuminated glass, of the privacy glass coming in, it really just makes you feel at home. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bathroom. They really did a great job here selecting all the finishes. We have the main bedroom. You could put a large king-size bed in here, or maybe even a double king. High ceilings, tray ceiling, glass everywhere, bringing in the natural beauty of the golf course. This is definitely a place that makes you feel like home. We've got bedrooms. Check out one bedroom with ensuite bath, walk-in closet, access to a balcony. And then we have another bedroom. This one has a Jack and Jill. I'll meet you on the other side. Sharing a bathroom, double sink, third bedroom. I love these huge windows and access to that same balcony. But there's more. 1, 2, 3. Laundry upstairs, and there's laundry downstairs. 4, 5. There's a gym, there's an office, 6 full bathrooms. Let's check out the balcony. With 7,800 square feet, really, you're not gonna be on top of each other, that's for sure. You know, you have dinner being made, the kids in the game room, but here's my favorite part of the house, the pool. Look at these doors, opens up wide, keeps going, keeps going. So you can really marry the outdoor with the indoor. Great for hosting a great party or really just enjoying the South Florida weather. I know how to golf, but not well. Well, that's it. If you know anything about me, you know that I love to barbecue. So this is my favorite part of the house and the best place to close the tour. We have a beautiful outdoor kitchen with refrigerator, sink, and a gas stove with a beautiful view of the golf course, watching your family here enjoy themselves outside, or even friends having dinner right before you. So thanks for coming on this tour with me of 117 Thatch Palm Cove in Royal Palm Yacht and Country Club. Till next time.